Hi guys, welcome back with me. In this video, I will review the cheapest mechanical gaming keyboard in the market right now. This is Rexus Legionare MX 5.1. I bought this keyboard in Shopee, link on the description. Since the average price for mechanical keyboard is too expensive for me, I decided to find out the cheapest mechanical keyboard. Maybe you guys know, the average price for mechanical keyboard is around 700,000 rupiah until 2 million rupiah, but this keyboard only costs 300,000 rupiah. But will it equal with other keyboard with higher price? Of course not, because there are some features that been removed to suppress the prices. Like the keyboard only have 18/7 keys or 10 keys. It means MX 5.1 don't have numeric key like this. LED backlight, each row only has one color, and of course the features are not as much as an expensive keyboard. Hey yo, but is it that bad? It's not. With low prices, we can get the basic of mechanical keyboard, such as mechanical switch of course, LED backlight for the keys, gaming mode features. There are 6 gaming modes that I love. Anti-ghosting, which even we press all the keys at the same time, those keys will give their input with no mistake. You can press F1 plus Windows, so if you accidentally press the Windows key, it will not disturb your gaming experience. And also has many LED mode. There are 11 LED mode. For the specification, Rexus Legionare MX 5.1 has 87 keys, using an ABS plastic material for the keys and the body, and using content switch. There are 2 options for the switch, the blue switch and the brown switch. Mine has blue switch, which when you press the button, it will make a click sound like this. The keyboard is light and small, and even fit in my backpack. But of course, this keyboard is not made for mobility. This keyboard is made for desktop PC. Like we've been told before, this keyboard has 11 LED mode. Press the F1 plus insert button to change LED mode. First is the default LED mode. It's called running LED. Second is diffuse. Third is wave. Next is left and right scanning. This is the ever light. Blink LED if you press it. Like this. Next, diagonal swipe. And the last is random LED. And this is the gaming mode. The question is it worth it? I think it is. With cheap prices, we got a good quality mechanical keyboard. That's it, my review for Rexus Legionare MX 5.1. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.